This is Artems.ai. What matters in tech and beyond. The landscape of intelligence is shifting from software hype to hard infrastructure and ethical boundaries. We are seeing a massive realignment in how capital, hardware, and regulation converge. Let's start with the fact that crypto capital is moving with precision. Investors yanked over $1 billion from Bitcoin ETFs last week while dumping Ether funds. What's most interesting here is the rotation into select altcoins like HYPEE and XRP. Think about it, Hyperliquid is not just about crypto anymore. They are expanding into pre-IPO markets and prediction contracts. What does this mean in practice? It puts them in direct competition with Wall Street giants and traditional exchanges. And here's the key part. Their native token has surged 59% this month as they integrate USDC as a quote asset. Which brings us to the next story about the physical layer of the future. The US government is deploying $2 billion into quantum computing through the CHIPS package. Let's start with the fact that IBM is the center of this strategy with their new Andron foundry. What's most interesting here is the bet on 300mm wafers. Think about it, this creates a massive manufacturing advantage for superconducting silicon over other modalities. It means the government is picking a winner based on industrial scale, rather than just physics. And here's the key part, IBM is building custom ASI CS. Now let's look at how this intelligence is actually delivered to the public. Google is overhauling search to be conversational and AI-driven. What's most interesting here is the growing user alienation. Think about it. People are tired of AI summaries burying the actual web results. What does this mean in practice? We are seeing a rise in ad-free alternatives like Kagi. And here's the key part. Some users are now employing a specific string called UDM equals 14 to strip AI overviews out of their Google results entirely. But technology does not exist in a vacuum. Pope Leo XIV just released an encyclical called Magnifica Humanitas. Let's start with the fact that he is calling for AI to be disarmed. What's most interesting here is the warning about AI in warfare. Think about it. He argues that lethal decisions must never be left to machines. What does this mean in practice? The Vatican is effectively challenging the race to deploy AI as a strategic weapon. And here's the key part. He warns that AI could become a new form of data colonialism where human dignity is sacrificed for profit. From quantum foundries to papal warnings, the theme is clear. The era of blind adoption is over, and the era of structured infrastructure and ethical oversight has begun. This was the Artems.ai. Agent tune in tomorrow.